हाँ, क्या बोलना क्या बोलना? I haven't seen the movie. I'm vastly excited to see it. All of us are here. Me and my mom are here. So this is for us a family experience. Watching Arman is a member of our home and house and heart. And watching him unfold on celluloid is a very emotional moment for us, a proud moment for us. And I'm so glad that he was given this wonderful platform. I think there's so many interesting minds on this film. And more importantly, I think it's a film that has a heart itself. So we're very excited. I'm vastly excited to see the film because for me it's like watching like a child of yours come alive on celluloid. So I'm really proud. Arman has grown right in front of me. I've seen Arman all of 2 years old. He calls me uncle, which I want to kill him for. So Arman assisted me on Khan, on Student of the Year. He even did a bout in Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu. So Arman has really grown in Dharma Productions. And for me, just watching that kid who I saw as a 2-year-old toddler right now to a mainstream celluloid hero is, as I said, not only a proud feeling, but a really emotional one as well. Yeah. It's very, I think it's wonderful that these kids are doing so phenomenally well. I'm so proud of Varun and Alia of Siddharth. And Varun and Alia, I think, make the coolest couple in town. Not only is their chemistry such a big USP, but also the fact that mixed with that chemistry, there is love and certain amount of sensuality that is really making Humpty Sharma a film to watch out for. It seems like it's heading in the right direction. It seems, I hope it makes the Friday before the Saturday. Yeah. Well, it's been great. Hasi To Phasi got us so much love. 2 states gave us phenomenal success. And now we're hoping for, as we call it, the hat trick with Humpty. Of course I have. I mean, for me, like Ek Villain Success is almost like it's been like a success for us in our company because Siddharth, Varun and Alia, our kids we nurtured, and to see his film do the kind of numbers, we are phenomenally proud. All of us at Dharma were like so excited about Ek Villain Success. 2 weeks later, we have a film. So I'm just so happy for Balaji, for Sid, for Mohit. I think that movie has really proven that that it can break every myth in Tinseltown and go ahead and create a new kind of phenomenon with newcomers. I'm so proud of that film. I'm going to go and see the movie and I'm wishing the film.
When I was shooting for Finding Fanny, Dino had shown me Khalifa and I loved it. I love the song. It's my favorite song in the album. And Arman ironically was shooting in Goa when we were shooting for Finding Fanny. So it's nice. We've grown up in the same household, literally. It feels nice. It feels surreal. It's nice to be here to cheer for him and support for him and Dinu and Diksha and Arif and the whole crew. And Lakshman Utekar, who's the DOP of Tevar as well. So it feels really nice to be here. We are here to talk about Lekar and Devana. Is it? No, it's out on 9th. It's out on 9th. आप मीडिया वाले हो, आपको तो पता होना चाहिए. Okay. सर सुन तो लूँ सवाल, उसके बाद सीधा देख के बोलूँगा. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. John Lennon inspired, I realized only after seeing the blogs and the quotes on Twitter, since now I joined Twitter. But it's Anayata Shroff Adajania. It's all her doing. It stems from the vision that Homi had, and as a stylist and as I think the tuning that they both have, you've seen it before in a Cocktail as well. So I think it's just her and Homie's amalgamation creatively. We as actors have to be there and make sure we look our best. And I'm really happy the kind of reaction it's got, because I was shooting that right after Gunde and 2 stage. You know, for an actor, it's very nice when people appreciate a look. It's very difficult to do that when you're shooting films so soon, one after another. So I'm really happy people are liking it, and I hope they like the trailer as well.
Talking about Twitter, everyone was on and on tweeting for you welcoming you on Twitter.
Yes.
How is that the whole welcome?
It's amazing to be welcomed the way I've been. I was very averse to the idea of being on Twitter, but now I have to agree it's a very nice platform for me to be able to communicate my emotions, my thoughts, and stay in touch with all the people that have shown me so much love and appreciation for all the work I've done in the last 2 years. Ji sir. जी ये बहुत अच्छा मकाम है ये साफ़ कर देने के लिए, बिकॉज अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोग हर चीज़ को साफ़ नहीं करते हैं तो अफवाह बन जाती है. I have never been approached by Sohail Bhai. We have a wonderful equation. I am here because of a certain person whose name I've taken repeatedly 1 billion times over. I'm indebted to Salman Bhai for where I am today. And I have not said no because I've never been offered a film by Sohail Bhai. So it's a baseless rumor. Unfortunately, I guess that's what happens in the profession. When you don't clarify things, people assume it is true.
Arjun, I have just one question.
Yes.
You being a newcomer, you have got so much love and appreciation for all your movies.
Yes.
So how do you think it will go for Diksha and Arman?
I hope it's exactly the same for Diksha and Arman. Yeah. When Pariniti and me did Ishaq Zadeh, we came with absolutely no baggage. We were just actors who did a film, and I think that's what Lekar Hum also looks like. It just looks like a film about 2 characters who get caught up in this love story where they think they can get married and survive and see the complications that ensue. So, and our audience has become very sensible and intelligent. They are more than willing to welcome new actors. We saw that with Hero Panti in the last 2 months. So it's a very good time for young actors. We are all examples of the audience being accepting towards new talent. So I'm really, really excited for Arman and Diksha and the director who's a new director as well. So it's a fantastic time. I wish them all the best. See you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Arjun.
How are you? It's very well. It's a good feeling. Very excited. To be honest, should I look straight or look at you? Look straight, no? What is it? Fortunately, everything's been very positive, negative and positive, but lot of positives. So it's a really good feeling, especially as newcomers to get positive feedback. I feel it's motivating, and I'm very, very excited to be here. But I'm equally nervous, a tad bit, and yeah, it's a good feeling. I don't know actually, because we've been so busy promoting that I barely got a chance to even see myself on TV or see what's really happening. But from the things that I'm hearing from people, I think it's positive. I hope so, at least. I won't say rocky, but I think it wasn't something that came to me naturally even when I was younger, because I pursued a business and economics degree. I mean, it was a different journey. I think everyone has a different journey. Not from direction to acting. I think direction gave me a lot of experience, and in terms of the set environment, the atmosphere. So I think it was a good experience, but it wasn't a rocky road. Thank you so much. Thank you.